How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Dan Herr here with Stats, Logic, and Algorithms. I know it doesn't sound like a fun course, but believe it or not, it is. So we do about 60% statistics within the course, so basically the entirety of the first marking period. Then we get into a small algorithms unit, which is a fancy way of saying introduction to coding. We do it on the iPads. Nobody's gonna suddenly be able to rewrite AI after that unit, but at the same time, it's a nice intro to let somebody know maybe they're interested in that or not. And then the last 30% of the course falls under logic. In reality, it ends up being more or less financial mathematics, where we talk about continuously compounded interest, we talk about compound interest, how all that works in our accounts. We do a little bit of college financials, and we do some research on that for people who are interested in being college bound, and you don't have to be interested in that because the loan process is still interesting. We do a little over a week on mortgages during that financial unit, and then our final project is a group research project where we research things like 401ks versus 403bs. How are they similar? How are they different? That sort of thing. Same idea with Roth IRAs, mutual funds in general, CDs, bonds, common stock versus preferred stock, all good things, right? We do almost all of our work exclusively on paper and pencil, so I really appreciate you guys and gals and your tax dollars for providing that. Every time I ask my students, they still say paper and pencil is the way to go for math. Just a touch about me. Just like yourselves, I'm a father first and foremost. Yes, I know my wife's way too pretty for me, and I have 3 daughters, 8th grader, 6th grader, and 3rd grader, so the beard gets whiter every day. So have a wonderful day, and if you need to get a hold of me, Dan_Herr at hempfieldsd.org. Looking forward to a great semester.